Hi, this is Gunasagaran, Assistant Professor for Mechanical Engineering at SNS Institution. Now we are seeing about vapor compression refrigeration. Okay. Normally, vapor compression refrigeration it is a widely used refrigerant and air conditioning. Okay. Here it is operates on principle removing heat through one phase to another phase on refrigerant. Okay. Here it involves more main components. Okay. Compressor, condenser, expansion valve and evaporator. See the diagram here, mostly used for in four important components. The refrigerant absorbs heat in the evaporator. It compresses to high pressure gas. Release heat in the condenser. Okay. Already we are seeing about four important components: compression, condenser, expansion valve and evaporator or evaporation. Okay. One by one we are seeing about four components. First, compression. Okay. Compression is the first stage of vapor compression cycle. Okay. Where low pressure, low temperature refrigerant vapor enters the first stage of compressor. The compressor increases the pressure and refrigerant and temperature of the refrigerant. Okay. Converting into high low pressure into high pressure and low temperature into high temperature of the gas. This process is essential because of its rates of boiling point of the refrigerant. Second, condenser. Okay, it is a second stage. Here it comes through high pressure, high temperature from the compressor, enters the condenser. Okay, in this stage heat the surrounding environment, usually air or water, causes the condense into the high pressure liquid. Okay, this heat exchange occurs without changing the pressure and transform to the refrigerant from gas to the liquid state. Condenser can be air cooled, water cooled, evaporating depending on the system designs. Okay. Then here mainly purpose of prepare the refrigerant for expansion and cooling by remove the heat, absorb the evaporations. Okay. Then we are seeing about third stage, expansion. Expansion is the third stage of vapor compression cycle. Here from the condenser, high pressure liquid, the liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve or capillary tube. Okay, where its pressure suddenly drops. Okay, this drop in pressure, a portion of refrigerant to vaporize and cool repeatedly. Okay, here mainly low pressure, low temperature mixture of liquid and vapor. Okay. Okay, then we are seeing about fourth stage of evaporation. Okay, it is finally stage. Okay, it is also called as evaporator. Here low pressure, low temperature refrigerant entered through the evaporator. Here absorb the heat from the surrounding, such as air inside a refrigerator or a room and air conditioner. Okay, the resulting low pressure vapor then returns to the compressor. Again it is a loop, it is created. it is returns to the compressor. Okay, this stage is critical because of it's where actual cooling takes place, removing heat from the desired spaces. Okay, then we are seeing about merits. It is a compression system high efficient. Okay, then it is provide to the effective cooling to the wide temperature and ranges. COP making it is a energy efficient. Okay, then it is used for prepared choice for cooling application of worldwide. Okay, then demerit, it is a high cost. Then use of certain refrigerant in environment by contributing to zone reflection. Okay, thank you.